Welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the Marty Sites platform to build a website for your cafe. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video today and you aren't quite familiar with the Marty Sites service yet, Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. So once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. So I'm going to head to the top quickly and I'm going to search for my market, cafe. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Right, let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our cafe so it can generate a simple website. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name, as well as my city and my region or state. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the Marty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's leave the type of business as a restaurant and click on continue. Great, let's tell Marty Sites a little bit more details. How can our customers get in touch with us? I'm going to go ahead and put in my phone number as well as my email address and move along. Great, where is our cafe located? I'm going to go ahead and put in our street address. Oops. As well as our postal code. Let's get our hours set up. What time do we open on a Monday? I'm going to say we open from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and a Sunday. We open 7 days a week. Let's do a quick review, but everything looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to move along. If you need to make changes, click on update location or update hours. And look at that, Marty Sites has literally generated a simple website for my cafe in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we've pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality and they're completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of your awesome cafe, maybe the meals you're serving up or the drinks. And perhaps you want to make one or two changes to the content that was pre-written for you. You can absolutely do that. It's super simple. So today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be working my way through each section from the top to the bottom, giving you a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works and how easy it is to use. You don't need to be a web developer. You don't need to hire a web professional. And you don't need to know any coding whatsoever. So let's get cracking. The first section, I'm going to click on update section, and I want to make sure this box is ticked. So my email address is displayed on my Marty Sites website for my cafe next to my phone number at the top right, and the phone number is clicked to call, by the way. Now, with the address, we've already put in our street address or our physical location. It's displayed in the top left-hand corner, and when you click on it, you'll automatically be taken to Google Maps to get directions to your cafe. Over here, we can put in the various social media platforms our cafe is active on, showcasing all our awesome meals and drinks we're serving. Icons will be displayed in the top right hand corner next to the email address and at the bottom of our Marty Sites website, so our customers can easily give us a follow, get some engagement going, and see what we're up to. Let's move along. I'm now going to head over to update logo. Now, if you have a logo, or shall I say, if you don't have a logo yet because you've just recently launched your cafe, Marty Sites will literally just display your name here, your business name, and it still looks really great and professional. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and upload it now. Now, if you don't have a logo and you don't have a huge budget to hire a graphic designer or a logo designer, I do recommend you check out canva.com. You'll find a few free great options on the website. Now, if you want to make some changes to your logo you've just uploaded, click on the little pencil. Over here, we can crop our Marty Sites logo or our business logo for our cafe. Just to make sure it fits a little bit better in that section at the top, we can rotate it, flip it, zoom in, add filters and such. So I've cropped it ever so slightly and I'm now going to click on done, and now I'm going to go ahead and click on save so my logo is displayed. Awesome, look at that, that looks fabulous. We can make it bigger and smaller if need be, but I think that sizing is perfect, so I'm going to move along. Great. Now with Mighty Sats as well, we've pre-selected all the colors used throughout your cafe website as well. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a website for your small business. However, perhaps these colors don't quite go with your logo, your branding, your business cards, the signage and decor throughout your cafe. You don't need to know color coding to change it. All you need to do is click on this nifty little paint packet over here that is currently hidden by the Mighty Sites logo. Sorry about that. I'm now going to click on it on the bottom right hand corner and go through the various different color palettes available for me to use. So I want something pretty neutral and elegant to just go with my decor in my cafe. Let me perhaps choose that one, but let me look at one or two more options. I might go with this one. It's pretty neutral and it goes really well. So I'm going to go with this olive. You can change it at a later stage if you would prefer. Now over here, I'm going to head over to update section and head over to update image. Now over here, if you have your own images of all the awesome meals and drinks you're serving, or the your premises, go ahead and browse your device and upload it. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There are hundreds of images to choose from. Mighty Sites will automatically search for cafe, but you can play around with the terms a little bit and just see what pops up. But I think this one looks really great. It goes with my lighting in my cafe, so I might try this one. Let's see how well that works. Doesn't quite fit there well enough, so I'm going to go ahead and search for something else. I think I might just search for a coffee, but there's also this one, so I might try this one out. Let's see how well that one fits over here. Awesome, that actually looks really great, even though the full image isn't displayed there. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it and close and head over to update contents. Now over here, you can change the title and subtitle to suit your needs, which is this content over here. Button doesn't have to say order online. Perhaps you want it to say view our menu. So let's go ahead and change it and head over to choose link. Now you can link to another website. Maybe you offer an online ordering system on a third party. You can link to that. You can link to an action like click to call, directions, or click to email, or upload a PDF file, which I'm going to go ahead and do. I'm going to go ahead and upload my menu. So when my customers click on that button, they will automatically be taken to my menu. I know I'm not the only person that likes to look at menus before I go to restaurants and pre-select my meals and drinks. So this is for those people. Let's move along. Over here, if you want to make any last changes to that address we previously put in, trading hours, click on update section. We've now made our way into the about us section. Over here, we can put a little bit more details of how our cafe came to be, how we got into the industry. Do we have gluten-free and vegan options? Is your cafe welcoming? Do friends meet there, or do people come and work? Maybe a little bit more about the people running the show, your skilled and friendly staff. Go ahead and pop all those details over here. Your customers would love to hear your background, your story, and how your business got started. If you have a custom domain, which is always important with professional websites, all you need to do is click on connect your domain and say I already have a domain, and go through the various steps in linking it. If you're struggling, there is a blog post over on our website www.mightysites.com. Click on blog. You'll also find some lots of tips and advice for marketing your small business online. Lots of valuable information in these blog posts, so do check it out. If you don't have a domain yet, click on I want a new domain, and you can now purchase your custom domain via the Mighty Sites platform. Really exciting. We've just introduced the feature. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your cafe. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. If you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on the Mighty Sites platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback.